You want this all the way up?
Yeah, dude, just pull that thing. We'll swing down to the other one. Okay, I think they're going down at the same time here.
Alright, that's enough playing here. You can reel it in.
There's no sound.
Your battery's getting low.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. What we're gonna do? Keep going. Stop it. How does this get used to being open this?
Trolling motor?
You gotta talk me through how to release it to get down the water real quick.
We gotta chase this thing. There,
Yeah.
we gotta drive.
How do you...
Are we in gear right now?
We are... Nope, go ahead and start it.
Trim up.
Oh my god, whoa.
Andy, I'm going to go forward here a little bit, ready?
I'll fall out. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Rainy River, Andy Wolfram makes the maiden voyage this year, and he just hooked into a dinosaur. Yeah, that's the whole line. Dinosaur. Hold this one too. Grab that. 59. 59, huh?
59 is it.
Now lay it on.
Oh, top of batch is 60.
60 inches. Want to get a girth on them? I'm going to do some photos and get her back in the water.
Almost give you a kiss.
Almost.
25.
50 by 25. It's got to be close to 65 or 70. It might even be bigger. Try to weigh it? Okay.
Still on video.
Perfect. What?
55 pounds?
Is that what the chart's saying? A 60 by... What was it? What?
59.
59, huh? Oh. Yeah. Andy, how you feeling right about now? Andy Wolfram just got a 60 inch by 25 girth. According to the DNR charts, it's coming in at 59 pounds. Look at the size of this fish. This is just a monster. Amazing. Thumbs up for the camera, buddy. Nice. Sarah's getting everything going too and taking film.
Yeah,
nice.
I tried. I did my best.
You did great.